Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence where difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. First, let us know what is a sequence. We all can identify this picture. Yes, it is a rainbow. Color in a rainbow have a fixed pattern. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Such pattern is called as sequence. Here is a mathematical example of a sequence. Observe the numbers carefully and find some pattern in this. The first number is 3. When 3 is multiplied by 10, we get 30. That is the second number. Similarly, when 30 is multiplied by 10, we get the next number 300. Further, 300 multiplied by 10 gives 3000. Terms in a sequence. First term of a sequence is denoted by T1, second term by T2, third by T3, and so on. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence where difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Let us recall the last example once again. Here, T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 30. T3 is equal to 300, T4 is equal to 3000. First, two terms, T1 and T2, T2 and T3, T3 and T4 are consecutive terms, means terms that comes one after the other. T1 and T3, T2 and T4 are non-consecutive terms. Now let us take the difference between the consecutive terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to 30 minus 3 is equal to 27 and T3 minus T2 is equal to 300 minus 30 is equal to 270. Clearly, T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. Hence, the difference between the consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, this sequence is not an arithmetic progression. Examples of arithmetic progression. He is Mr. Minion. He works in a bank since 5 years. His starting salary was rupees 20,000. He receives an increment of rupees 2,000 per year due to his honesty and excellent performance. Here is the data of his salaries since 5 years. T1 is equal to 20,000. T2 is equal to 22,000, T3 is equal to 24,000, T4 is equal to 26,000 and T5 is equal to 28,000. Now let us take the difference between his consecutive salaries. T2 minus T1 is equal to 22,000 minus 20,000 is equal to rupees 2,000. Similarly, difference between his third year and second year salary, that is T3 minus T2 is equal to 24,000 minus 22,000 is equal to 2,000 and so on. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to T5 minus T4. Here, the difference between consecutive terms is 2,000, which is constant. Therefore, Mr. Minion's salary since 5 years are in arithmetic progression. Note, arithmetic progression is denoted by AP. Common difference. Consider an AP 2, 5, 8, 11. Here, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5, T3 is equal to 8, and T4 is equal to 11. Now, T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. T3 minus T2 is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. T4 minus T3 is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Therefore, difference between two consecutive terms is 3. This difference, which is constant, is called as common difference. Common difference is denoted by small d. nth term of an AP. Consider an AP is 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5, T3 is equal to 8, T4 is equal to 11. Here common difference is 3. When we add 3 to 2, we get 5. That is, we can say T2 is T1 plus D. Now observe T3. T3 is equal to 8. T3 is obtained when we add 3 twice to 2. But 3 is common difference and 2 is T1. Hence we get T3 is equal to T1 plus 2D. Similarly, we get T4, that is 11 equals to T1 plus 3D. In AP T1 is also denoted by A. Let us replace T1 by A. Therefore, we get T2 is equal to A plus D. T3 is equal to A plus 2D. T4 is equal to A plus 3D. Hence, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, where n is equal to number of terms, Tn is equal to nth term, A is equal to first term, and D is equal to common difference. Example, find the 20th term of given AP, 5, 12, 19. Here, A is equal to 5 and D is given by T2 minus T1. Therefore, D is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. We are supposed to find T20. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Therefore, T20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. That is, T20 is equal to A plus 19D. Substituting values of A and D, we get T20 is equal to 138. Hence, 20th term of given AP is 138. Solve these for practice. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Let us consider an AP 3, 7, 11, 15. Here there are 4 terms T1, T2, T3, T4. Adding all of these, we get sum of 4 terms. 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 is equal to 36. Hence we say sum of 4 terms is 36. Sum of terms is denoted by Sn. Therefore we say S4 is equal to 36. The calculation in this example was simple as there were only 4 terms. But if we are supposed to find out sum of 100 terms, that is S100, it would be a time-consuming process. For that, we have a formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. It is given by Sn is equal to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1d, where n is equal to number of terms. A is equal to first term, D is equal to common difference. Let us consider last example. 3, 7, 11, 15. There are 4 terms T1, T2, T3 and T4. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And n is equal to number of terms is equal to 4. Substituting the values in the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. We get the same value, that is 36. There is one more formula to find Sn, and it is given by Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn, where n is equal to number of terms, T1 is equal to first term, Tn is equal to nth term. Let us solve the previous AP by using this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. Again we get S4 as 36. Formulas for Sn. Example, find S20 of given AP 5, 8, 11, 14. Here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3N is equal to 20. Method 1. S20 is equal to 20 upon 2 into 5 plus 20 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 10 into 10 plus 19 into 3 is equal to 10 into 10 plus 57 is equal to 10 into 67 is equal to 670. Method 2. S20 is equal to 20 upon 2 into 5 plus 62 is equal to 10 into 67 is equal to 670. Solve these for practice. Consecutive terms in an AP. Let us consider three numbers, say 3, 8 and 13. Here the terms are in AP. Observe the second term, that is 8. Let us assume that as A is equal to 8, the previous term 3 can be obtained by subtracting 5 from 8, and next number, that is 13, can be obtained by adding 5 to 8. Therefore, the first term becomes A minus D and the third term becomes A plus D. Example, sum of three consecutive terms of an AP is 15 and their product is 105. Find the number. Let the three consecutive terms be A minus D, A and A plus D. According to the first condition, their sum is 15. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 15. D gets cancelled. Therefore, 3A is equal to 15. Therefore, A is equal to 5. According to the second condition, their product is 105. Therefore, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 105. Substituting A is equal to 5, we get 5 minus D into 5 plus D is equal to 105. 5 minus D, 5 plus D is equal to 105 upon 5, which is equal to 21. Therefore, 5 square minus D square is equal to 21. Therefore, 25 minus D square is equal to 21. Therefore, 25 minus 21 is equal to D square. Therefore, 4 is equal to D square. That is, plus or minus root 4 is equal to D, which is equal to plus or minus 2. We get two values of D. D is equal to plus 2 or D is equal to minus 2. According to the first condition, we get A is equal to 5. According to the second condition, we get D is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, if D is equal to 2, then A minus D is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. A is equal to 5. A plus D is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So the three numbers are 3, 5 and 7. Now if D is equal to minus 2, then A minus D is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 7. A is equal to 5. A plus D is equal to 5 plus minus 2 is equal to 3. So the three numbers are 7, 5 and 3. Solve these for practice.